IELTS Speaking Part 2. Describe a job you would not like to do in the future. Let's answer this question sample. Answer Band 8. A job I would definitely not like to do in the future is being a telemarketer. The primary reason for this aversion is the nature of the work, which involves cold calling individuals to sell products or services. This kind of interaction often leads to rejection and can be quite disheartening. I believe constant rejection could significantly impact my self-esteem and overall happiness. Furthermore, telemarketing requires sitting at a desk for extended periods, making phone calls, and following a script. This type of sedentary and monotonous work environment does not appeal to me, as I prefer jobs that offer more mobility and allow for more creative expression. I thrive in environments where I can collaborate with others, brainstorm ideas, and see tangible results from my efforts. Additionally, I have great respect for personal privacy and dislike the idea of intruding on individuals' lives, especially during their private time. The thought of being perceived as a nuisance or an invader of privacy does not sit well with me. Moreover, the shift towards digital marketing and personalized advertising makes the traditional telemarketing approach seem outdated. I'm more interested in jobs that align with future trends and technologies, where I can grow my skills and stay relevant in the changing job market. Lastly, job satisfaction and contributing positively to society are important to me. I believe in doing work that adds value to others' lives and helps improve the world in some way. Telemarketing, in my opinion, does not fulfill these personal criteria for meaningful work. In conclusion, while I understand that every job has its importance and telemarketing can be a starting point for many in the sales industry, it is simply not a career path that aligns with my personal interests, skills, and values. I am more inclined towards roles that are dynamic, involve problem-solving, and have a positive societal impact. As we approach the end of this video, let's take a moment to break down some of the key vocabulary used throughout. Understanding these terms will give you a better grasp of the world of marketing and sales. 1. Telemarketing. This is the act of selling goods or services over the telephone. It's a method that has been around for decades and is still widely used today, despite the rise of digital marketing. 1. Cold calling. When you hear this term, it refers to unsolicited calls made by salespeople to potential customers. These are typically random calls to people who haven't expressed any prior interest in the product or service being sold. 1. Digital marketing. This is the marketing of products or services using digital technologies, particularly on the internet. It includes strategies like email marketing, social media marketing, and search engine optimization, among others. 1. Personalized advertising. This is the practice of tailoring advertisements based on individual consumers' characteristics or preferences. With the rise of big data and machine learning, personalized advertising has become increasingly prevalent in the digital marketing world. By understanding these terms, you'll have a much clearer picture of the marketing and sales landscape. Whether you're considering a career in this field or just looking to improve your consumer savviness, this knowledge will certainly come in handy. Continuing with our vocabulary breakdown, let's look at some more terms. 1. Personalized advertising. As we touched on earlier, personalized advertising involves tailoring marketing messages to individual consumers based on their preferences and behavior. This approach, also known as one-to-one marketing, allows businesses to deliver individualized content to the right people at the right time. 1. Job satisfaction. This is a measure of how content an individual is with their job. It's an important factor in the world of telemarketing, as it can directly impact an employee's performance and commitment to their role. High job satisfaction can lead to increased productivity and improved customer interactions, both of which are critical in a sales-oriented environment. 1. Sales industry. This is the sector of the economy that involves selling goods or services directly to consumers. It's a vast and diverse field that includes everything from telemarketing and door-to-door sales to e-commerce and digital advertising. The sales industry plays a crucial role in driving economic growth and providing employment opportunities for millions of people worldwide. With these terms, you're well on your way to becoming a marketing and sales whiz. Remember, knowledge is power. The more you understand about this field, the better equipped you'll be to navigate it, whether as a professional or a consumer.